So what is LinkedIn Sales Navigator? Sales Navigator is a tool made by LinkedIn that makes selling easy. The main function of Sales Navigator is to create custom lists to better organize and prioritize your saved leads and saved accounts. So as you can see in this Sales Navigator screenshot, under the List dropdown is My Network, Lead List, and Account List. So first, My Network, this includes all your first degree connections. So all of your LinkedIn connections. The Lead List, this includes all of your saved individuals. And finally, Accounts, this includes all of your saved companies. So you can build these lists right in Sales Navigator. So before we start creating these lists in LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you need to first optimize your personal LinkedIn profile. I like to think of your LinkedIn profile as a landing page. What value can you offer your potential clients? What are your accomplishments that will make them contact you first? All a LinkedIn user will see in their email inbox when you connect with them is your photo, your name, your headline, and your city. Here's an example email. The name, that profile image, their headline, and then their city. So first thing on your LinkedIn profile, click that edit pencil at the top of your profile page. Like any social media profile, the more complete and filled out, the better. But I see the most important part being your headline. Your LinkedIn profile headline is the way people quickly identify who you are and what you do. Your headline is the first thing below your name and one of the main areas LinkedIn search pulls keywords from. Many people overlook this area and just type in the company name and their role at that company. But put yourself in the shoes of the user searching LinkedIn. Unless you work for a big well-known company, that company name means nothing to them alone. That is why you should pair your company name and role at that company with relevant keywords and things you're an expert in. For example, Coursenvy is my company, but few are searching that specifically. Instead, I focus on my highest search keywords first, such as Facebook ads expert, ad agency, marketing teacher, and so on. To learn more about how I do keyword research, go to coursenvy.com/longtailpro. Now back to editing our intro on our LinkedIn profile. Also make sure to upload a relevant banner or background photo at the top of your profile. This is a 1584 by 396 pixel image. As you can see, since I teach online courses via coursenvy.com, I uploaded a banner including all of my course titles. If you don't have Photoshop or any other image editing software, I suggest the free website canva.com, as they have templates for nearly every social media platform and image type and image size. Once you have everything set and filled out in your intro, scroll down to the bottom of this pop-up menu. Next, you will want to optimize your LinkedIn profile URL. So click that edit pencil next to that contact info field. In this edit contact info pop-up, you can choose to add contact info to your LinkedIn profile, including your websites, phone number, address, and email. As you can see, I added a website URL for both my online courses company website and my ad agency portfolio website. Once you have your contact info complete, click the profile URL link at the top of this pop-up menu. This will open a new page called Public Profile Settings. So on this page, click the edit pencil under Edit Your Custom URL in this right sidebar. The default LinkedIn profile URL is sometimes not even your full name and just a string of numbers. Edit your URL to be just your name, making your profile that much more professional, especially when sharing your URL. So now back on our LinkedIn profile page, the next thing to optimize is your About section. You should write this section in third person. Your About section should be a blend of personal and business achievements in a sequential timeline format. Really try to use the entire 2,000 characters for your About section summary. This is the time to brag, name drop clients, display your numbers and various statistics, show your social proof, your awards, and so on. For my example, my Facebook, Google, and Amazon ad agency have over 500 clients with a 95% retention rate. I also suggest including a call to action in your LinkedIn profile About section. For example, offering a value proposition, such as a free consultation or free resource. Now let's scroll down on your LinkedIn profile. The next thing we want to optimize is your experience section. This is your resume section. So just click that plus sign and add each role you've ever been in. This is another great area to add 2 to 3 relevant keywords for each job to further optimize your profile for LinkedIn searches and search engine optimization. Finally, at the bottom of your LinkedIn profile, you'll want to add your skills, which your connections can then endorse, such as mine: social media marketing, social media, public relations. Once you select these skills, LinkedIn will present these to your connections and ask them to endorse them. Now, all the way at the bottom, recommendations, I also suggest you ask for a recommendation from your current happy clients, as this will only further add to your social proof. So now that we have our personal LinkedIn profile optimized, we're ready to start using LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So now head to linkedin.com/sales. LinkedIn Sales Navigator is not free, but they do offer a free 30-day trial. So sign up for the trial at this link and then go to your LinkedIn Sales Navigator homepage. On your Sales Navigator homepage, you will find the alerts section. These are timely insights about your leads and accounts. A few alert examples include: a saved lead viewed your profile, a saved lead accepted your invitation to connect, or a saved lead was mentioned in the news. So now let me walk you through how I use Sales Navigator to search for my potential leads and clients. So in that search bar, click Advanced. LinkedIn Sales Navigator Advanced Search enables you to search both for people, leads, and companies, accounts, with laser-targeted focus. Searching by accounts will create a list of companies matching your specific filters. This is great for when you know your target industry and are just looking for new companies to sell to in that niche. Searching by leads will create a list of people matching your specific filters. This is great when you know the exact job title of the leads you are looking for, such as owners or CEOs. So let's start with a search for leads example. Once we click this, the advanced search pop-up menu will appear. Here you can choose from various filters to find the exact type of person or company you are looking for. There is no limit for searches, so truly play around here and see what filters output what results for you. A few key filters I use for the most successful searches include keywords, seniority level, title. Now we scroll down, company headcount. Your filter selection can really vary depending on the type of business and person you are targeting or selling to. But with these 4 filters alone, I really get amazing results. First off, keywords. If your specific industry doesn't appear under the industry filter, the next best thing I use is keywords. For example, adding commercial real estate as a keyword will find every user that includes that keyword phrase somewhere on their LinkedIn profile. Next, seniority level. Typically in sales, you want to speak with the decision maker, i.e. the owner or CEO. With this filter, we can select that seniority level. Next is title. What I love about the title filter is that I can search for a keyword that is in the current or past job position for this user. Again, I want to speak with the decision maker. So here I will select current for the job position and then type in CEO, owner, and so on. And finally, company headcount. What size of business are you targeting? With this filter, you can select the number of employees at their company. Typically, you want to avoid self-employed or single employee businesses as they won't have enough budget to afford your services or product. So as you can see, under the keyword section, I'm searching for the keyword commercial real estate. Under seniority level, an owner. Under the title section, I select current from the dropdown and then type in owner. Under geography, I select USA. Then if I scroll down under company headcount, I selected 1 to 10 total employees. And as you can see in the top right, the live search results as I select these filters is 37,187. So once I'm happy with these filters, I'll click the search button to view these results. Now it's time to scroll through these potential leads and see which ones are a fit for your business to sell to. If you have a search that you know you will be making again and again, No need in restarting this advanced search every time. You can instead use the Save Search option. Once I click that button, just name your saved search, set your alert timeline, then click that green check mark to save this search. Then just click the Save Search option next to the search bar to view your easy access saved search results. So now back to our search results here for commercial real estate. One important thing to notice in these search results is this top scroll bar. These are more filters based on your commonalities and users who are already active on LinkedIn. My favorite filter is mentioned in the news in the past 30 days. There are 46 total for this search. So this is great for using in your connect message. For example, congrats on winning XYZ award, whatever was mentioned in the news in the past 30 days for that user. People love compliments, so they're more likely to reply to your connect message that is complimenting the recent news mention. So you'll also notice in the left sidebar, the filters option. You can keep filtering as you wish until you have leads that fit your specifications. Once you find a lead that you feel is a fit for what you are selling, it is best practice to add this lead to a list. First, select the checkbox next to the lead or leads that you want, and then click that Save to List option at the top of the search results. In this dropdown, you can select a past saved list or click that plus sign Create Lead List. Name your lead list and then click the Create and Save button. Next, under the List menu in the top nav bar, in the dropdown, select Lead List. Select your lead list name you just created. As you can see, we have a last update date and the single lead that we have added. So it is from here you can manage your list of leads and begin the relationship with these leads. My first step is to connect with the lead on LinkedIn so I can begin to build rapport and eventually offer my product or services as a solution to their problems. So I'll just click these three little dots to the right of the lead's name. In that drop-down menu, click Connect. Then in this Send Invitation pop-up, I want to include a personal message. Try to avoid a copy-paste canned message here. I see much higher acceptance rates from personal messages. For example, comment on something unique you see on this user's LinkedIn profile or their website, such as an interest or group you have in common. Remember, commonalities. Did you go to the same school, college? Have the same past employer? Maybe they won an award for their business. They were mentioned in the news. Remember, everybody loves compliments. So make this message personal, and then just click that Send Invitation button. You will be notified when the user accepts your connection via your notifications bell in the top right corner and under the Alerts section on your Sales Navigator homepage. So now we're back in that lead list. I click the menu for that lead, and as you can see, there's the message option. So this is something you can split test for your own business. But I will only message a lead after they accept my connect invite. I look at this like a warm lead that will be more responsive because we are now connected and they know my name, my title, my headline already. So I suggest checking your Sales Navigator homepage first thing every morning so you can respond to these new connections while you are still top of mind. For example, under the Alerts section, today I have one user who accepted my invitation to connect. So I'll click them. So now we are on my new connections LinkedIn profile. It is here where we can do more research on the lead to see what their potential problems are and how we can solve them. For example, myself as an ad agency owner, I will review their website and social media for potential audit opportunities. You can also make the decision to contact your new lead directly via their email address listed in the right sidebar under Contact Info. Or you can keep the message on LinkedIn via that message button. I personally start with a LinkedIn message because that is where they just saw me last. Plus, LinkedIn messages get 10 to 20% higher open rates and responses than regular emails. I see the best results for messages that don't lead with a sales pitch right off the bat. Instead, you should further build your rapport with this potential client. I do this by providing value for free. Here's an example. For accountants, you can connect with small business owners And then with these new connections, message them a blog post that provides them with great accounting strategies or hacks. Then keep following up with them, engaging with them, and then eventually getting them on a call to close the sale. Another example for website designers, again, connect with small business owners that have a website but isn't in the best shape. So once they connect, you can send them a quick audit screencast link of their website, showing them how you would improve it. I personally use loom.com for this to create these screencast videos. So before even starting on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, know exactly which problems your potential clients have and which problems your products or services will solve. Always put yourself in the lead's shoes before you send that message. Would you respond to this message? The law of reciprocity says that when someone does something nice for you, you will have a psychological urge to do something nice in return. So think of this when you're connecting on LinkedIn. Provide ongoing value for free, and your LinkedIn leads will turn into clients. Even if your lead eventually declines your sales pitch, continue being that constant source of valuable resources. This can be as simple as sharing a blog post or relevant video with your LinkedIn connections every few months, or even simply liking and commenting on their LinkedIn post. You always want to be top of mind when they finally do need your products or services. So let's go over LinkedIn outreach one more time. First, connect. Create that personalized message that will get them to accept. Find those commonalities with their LinkedIn profile. Next, message and engage. Start providing value for your potential client. Build rapport. Like and comment on their LinkedIn post. In messages, describe what problems you solve for businesses. Be the solution to their problems. Once they respond or engage with your content, follow up again with your sales pitch or that ultimate free value proposition, such as your consultation, the website audit, and so on. Finally, get on a call. See if you are a fit for each other and close the sale. To continue learning, go to www.coursenvy.com.